I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, that song makes sense. Look at this thing now I want to talk. Even though as Christmas Day now, body they pay me. For my neighbor to call me, ask me Eka EKAETTE when he could get better because they take a mad on crow. How he go ask me that kind of question? I want change am for him. I look am because now my neighbor, and you know, could me fight your neighbor, I riff am. But next time person go ask me that thing, I go ask some question. Are you Eka EKAETTE? Are you the doctor? Are you know she say this deep in economy they touch everybody. If you know say you go give me money, make I take train the begin because I know how many my years there now and how you go affect me if I born another begin follow you take am back. I don't get them. But if you could give me, I could go to try with the take am back and make we born another begin fast. Anyway, I say make I can report myself because next time person go ask me, I go forget say we dey for Christmas. We go fight. We go fight way. Eka EKAETTE signing out. I see you again. Bye bye.
Subscribe to my channel.